Today, like the whole of India, even we are celebrating Taj Mahal being a part of the 7 wonders of the world, and this is our way of celebrating it.
रोहित वर्मा का कलेक्शन कितना पसंद है आपको? How comfortable it was?
Well, Rohit Verma is known as a colourful, flamboyant, and a very loud kind of a designer, which shows in his clothes, and it's fun wearing them because every designer has their own signature style, and for him this is the signature.
What's your style statement?
Well, my style statement is simple and classy, which is absolutely opposite to this. That's why maybe I enjoy this more.
Okay, being a part of the Bollywood industry, who do you think is the style icon among the male actors?
Well, in male actors, I think some of the best stars we have is obviously Amitabh Bachchan and his son, and I really like the way Akshay Kumar has been able to show different varieties in all these years.
What's about Abhishek Bachchan that makes you say that he is the style icon?
I think he's a cool dude.
Okay, amongst the female actors?
Well, amongst the female actresses, I think Rekha has always been one style icon, and I think nobody carries a sari better than her.
And talking about item girls?
Well, item girls, who?
We have Monica Sharma and Jackie Sawant.
Yeah, I do not really understand their style, so I'm nobody to comment on it.
Okay, the most stylish film which you
Yes, most recently I can say Dhoom 2 is one of the most stylish films, and if you really talk about the things that have been coming back, I think the previous Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Devdas was definitely a very stylized film.
Just to end with the last question, amongst the past actors, who do you think is the style icon? We have Feroz Khan, we have we have Shabana, we have Zinat Khan.
I think it will be Mithun Chakraborty with those cowl neck, tops. I think he's so much fun. Take care.